Now, let's see how we can solve this equation together. Majority of students do not know what to do. We are given this to solve. So let's see how we can solve this together. Solution. Now, I have 7 into, you see 4 to the power of x plus 1. This inside the parentheses, I can write it as 4 to the power of x multiplying 4 to the power of 1, which is same thing as 4. Okay, then minus 2 into 4 to the power of x divided by 4. Because when you have 4 to the power of x minus 1 will be 4 to the power of x multiplying 4 to the power of minus 1. I know that 4 to the power of minus 1 is same thing as 1 over 4, okay, which is 4 to the power of x. So if I multiply this by this, I'm going to have 4 to the power of x divided by 4. Understood? Good. So all divided by 4 to the power of, so the same thing here, 4 to the power of x multiplying 4, then take away 4 to the power of x. Now everything equal to 16 to the power of x. All right, so the next thing we are going to do here is that this 7 we multiply this, we're going to have 28. 28 multiplied by 4 to the power of x. Understood? Then minus, so 2 divided by 4, that will give us 1 over 2. Okay, then multiplying what? Multiplying 4 to the power of x. Are you getting it? Then divided by 4 to the power of x, 4 to the power of x, we have 4 to the power of x outside. All right, into 4, take away 1. Because this divided by this, I'm going to have 4. And this divided by this, I'm going to have 1. And equal to 16 to the power of x. Now, we continue from there. So we can see that 4 to the power of x, 4 to the power of x is common. We factor it out. So we have 4 to the power of x into, what we have left here is 28. Then take away 1 over 2. 1 over 2. All divided by what? 4 to the power of x. Then multiply what? Multiply 3 equal to 16 to the power of x. I believe you are following. Now, the next thing we're going to do. So let's see, 28 minus 1 over 2. So 28, take away 1 over 2, is going to be 2 times 48, that is, you write it as this. 1 times 2 is 2. 2 times 4, 28, we have 50 what? 56, take away what? Take away 1. So we're going to have 55 all over 2. So therefore, everything here will be 55 over 2. Understood? So we are going to have this to be, you see that here and this will be cancelled because they are the same. We are going to have 55 all over 2, then divided by 3, according to what we have here. Then everything equal to 16 to the power of x. Now, 55 divided by 2 all over 3. So this will give us what? 55 over 6, then equal to 16 to the power of x. All right, so what's the next thing we're going to do here? So we are going to introduce logarithm to the both sides of the equation, and that is going to be logarithm with respect to base 16. So I'm going to have log base 16, okay, then 55 over what? Over 6, then equal to log 16 base 16, then to the power of x. Understood? All right, so from there, what are we going to have? You see that log 6 to the power of x base 16. So we're going to have what? X log 16 base 16 will be equal to log 16 into 55 all over 6. Okay, so this we cancel this, that is, returns to 1. We have x equal to log 55 over what? Over 6, then is 16. So this is our solution. If you find this very interesting, do not hesitate to share to your colleagues so they can learn better. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.